Demystifying dopamine, your brain's feel-good chemical.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in how we experience pleasure, motivation, and so much more.
Whether you're aware of it or not, dopamine is working behind the scenes
In your brain every single day, influencing your thoughts, behaviors, and emotions.
What is dopamine? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is dopamine?
Well, dopamine is a chemical messenger, or neurotransmitter, that helps transmit signals between nerve cells in the brain.
Think of dopamine as your brain's very own reward system. It's released in response to pleasurable experiences.
Like eating your favorite food, receiving a compliment, or even accomplishing a task.
So, whenever you feel that surge of happiness or satisfaction, you can thank dopamine for that wonderful feeling. The role of dopamine. Now, you might be wondering, what does dopamine actually do?
Well, it's involved in a whole range of important functions, including motivation, reward, mood regulation, and even movement. Dopamine helps us stay focused and motivated to pursue goals, whether it's acing a test, finishing a project, or hitting the gym. It also plays a key role in regulating our mood. Low levels of dopamine have been linked to feelings of sadness and depression, while high levels are associated with happiness and euphoria. Dopamine and the brain. Dopamine operates within various pathways in the brain,
including the mesolimbic pathway, which is often referred to as the brain's reward center.
When something pleasurable happens, like receiving a compliment or winning a game,
dopamine neurons in the brain's reward center become activated, releasing dopamine and making us feel good. However, imbalances in dopamine levels or dysfunctions in the dopamine system can lead to a variety of neurological and psychiatric disorders, such as Parkinson's disease, schizophrenia, addiction, and ADHD.
Dopamine disorders and treatments. Let's talk about some of these disorders and how they relate to dopamine.
Parkinson's disease, for example, is characterized by a loss of dopamine-producing neurons in the brain, leading to symptoms like tremors, stiffness, and difficulty with movement.
Schizophrenia, on the other hand, involves abnormalities in dopamine signaling,
which can contribute to symptoms like hallucinations, delusions, and disorganized thinking. Fortunately, researchers have developed treatments to help manage these conditions, ranging from medications that increase dopamine levels to therapies that target specific dopamine receptors in the brain.
Conclusion and takeaways. In conclusion, dopamine is a fascinating neurotransmitter that plays a vital role in our everyday lives.
From motivating us to achieve our goals to making us feel happy and fulfilled, dopamine is truly a powerhouse chemical in the brain.
By understanding how dopamine works and its impact on our health and well-being,
we can gain valuable insights into a wide range of behaviors and disorders.
So, the next time you feel a sense of accomplishment or joy,
remember to give a little nod to dopamine, your brain's very own feel-good chemical.